All right, we are going to talk about the character t-shirt design assignment from Friday. So we're going to go into modules. We're going to scroll down to where we have that assignment. So we're the week 4, October 5 through October 9. And this is the soul painting character t-shirt design. So we click on that. Okay. Says, please open the attached assignment in Notability. Read through the directions and complete all parts of the assignment to demonstrate your understanding of characterization. So we're going to click on that in a minute. Remember, in order to have a strong paragraph, you need to have the following elements: a topic sentence, textual evidence, an explanation of evidence and reasoning, and a concluding sentence. If you need help, you can always use this template for help. Okay? Make sure you proofread before submitting. So we're going to start by clicking on the PDF for the assignment, and I'll open it here. Okay, so we have Characterization in Soul Painting Inc. Now that you've read the short story Soul Painting Inc. and have done some work with characterization, how readers learn about characters in a story this week, it's time to showcase your knowledge in a creative way. Your task has 2 steps. Step 1, think about all you know about what happened in the story and the main character in general. Show your understanding of the main character by designing a new t-shirt the character would wear. This design should match the character's personality, so be sure everything you add to the design would be something that makes sense for this character and would be something this character would keep in his or her closet. Things to consider: color, wording on the shirt, picture on the shirt, functionality, are there pockets, buttons, something like that. So you have the front of the shirt and the back of the shirt. This is a t-shirt. You can make it a button-up shirt, obviously. You just draw on a collar and you give some buttons and maybe a pocket. Step 2. In the space below, you would type a paragraph that explains your t-shirt design. You should include a reason for each part of your design with textual evidence to help support your decision. For example, I created a yellow t-shirt because the character is always cheerful when interacting with other characters in the story. Obviously, that would not be Mercy. So in this box here is where you would put your explanation of why your t-shirt looks the way it does. Okay, so if we go back here, there is a characterization t-shirt design paragraph help. So we're going to click on that. And so here, it's not all going to fit on my screen, so I'll have to move around a little bit. Characterization t-shirt design paragraph help. If you're struggling with writing the paragraph for this assignment, you can use the following example for help. Please note that you do not need to use this if you're not comfortable. I designed a t-shirt for, who did you design it for? From Soul Painting Inc. One thing that I included on this t-shirt was blank, because in the story it said, what did it say? This relates to my piece of evidence because why is that thing that you just pulled out as a quote, why did that make you decide on the picture that you did for the shirt? Another symbol I included was, and why did you use that? I used this because in the story it says whatever it says. And this connects because. The final thing I included was blank because it reminded me of when the story said blank. This quote made me think of this symbol because blank. These are the reasons why I included this, this, and this on my shirt. Okay, so you're going to want to pick a design for whichever character you think would probably be the easiest to do it for. So I would probably recommend doing the brother, Raleigh, R-O-L-I, or the main character, Mercy. You might be able to do dad. That might be a little trickier though. So do what you can. I hope this makes sense. And if you're only able to include one example, go ahead and do that. I'll probably just mark you down a tiny bit. So try to do at least 2, and if you can, 3. Okay. All right. Good luck.